Hi freshmen! One of the most important things you need to know when transitioning into high school is understanding how the rotating drop schedule works. There's useful tools like Real-Time and Saturn to help you throughout your day. It is important that you know how to use these tools properly.
When you enter Real-Time, there are new links added into the sidebar that weren't there previously. This link is labeled as activities, and it shows all of the sports, extracurriculars, and clubs that you have participated in each grade level. This one is titled Volunteer Hours. As you collect volunteer hours throughout high school to meet Honor Society requirements, the hours will be listed in this tab so you can keep track of them. Another important thing to know is the Grades tab. When you click on the grades, there is a button that says View Transcript on top of your report card. When you click on it, there are two important numbers under the line. One is your GPA, and if you're taking honors or AP classes, it will also show you a weighted GPA. For anyone confused, a GPA is average of overall class grades from freshman to senior year. A weighted GPA takes into account the difficulty of honors or AP classes, awarding extra points going up as high as 4.5, and unweighted GPA removes those extra points.
So here is what all of the letter days look like. You have 8 classes total, but you only see 6 of them a day. So for the A day in the top left, you go to classes 1, 2, 3 in the morning and 5, 6, 7 after lunch. And then on the B day, you start off first period with class 4 since you did not see that class on the A day. So then it goes 4, 1, 2, and then 8 in the afternoon, 8, 5, 6.
A lot of students use an app called Saturn to keep track of their classes. After you get your schedule at orientation, you can put your classes into the app. Make sure you pick the correct classes and teacher. This will keep track of your entire schedule for the day by showing what classes you have to go to next, when the period starts and ends, and the letter day it is. Another thing that Saturn does is show your classmates before school starts. If your fellow classmates also have Saturn and put in their classes, you can see what classes they have if you add them as a friend. You can also see who are in all of your specific classes as long as they have Saturn as well. Make sure to turn on notifications to get a reminder on what letter day it is in the night before and the morning of. You know if it's a friend's birthday and what classes might be next without having to open the app.
After watching this video, we hope that you have a better understanding of how the rotating drop schedule works, and we hope that these tools are able to help you throughout the year.